illustrations, we started creating our own photos. And recently, in 2017 and 2018, we redesigned our projects, improving our systems and the user experience. Freepik universe is formed by very diverse inhabitants, and together we create an authentic and unique team. And this is where all the magic happens. When Freepik was born, we started off with just this floor, and now it's occupied by all the IT department who works day and night, literally not sometimes, so that the website is constantly active and running, and your designs get all the downloads. And here, all the creativity takes place. This floor is occupied by our creative team, formed by art directors and graphic designers. They are constantly working alongside our freelance creative community. And the expansion of Freepik was so big that we had to move our photography art directors and in-house photographers to another spaceship close by. And they are our photographers. They are hunters of moments. From their studio, they try to reflect the beauty of the cosmos and take pictures of interstellar quality. And here's where all the inspectors are hidden. It's formed by the editing and cataloging departments that control the quality of the content that our universe receives. Illustrations, photographs, icons, nothing escapes their attentive gaze. As well, the marketing, growth, and customer service departments are here. They are constantly looking for new ways to expand and worry about the well-being of our designers, photographers, and users. Our challenge is to help develop and enhance the ideas of our users. Your hard work motivates us to continue growing and to offer every day more content of the best quality. Lots of illustrations, icons, photographs, and PSD files so that our community of users enjoy creating without limits. If the imagination has no limits, the possibilities we offer neither.
ถ้าคนไทยได้แสดงผลงานออกไปทั่วโลกเนี่ยน่าจะดึงเงินเข้าในประเทศเราเยอะมากแล้วผมเชื่อว่าวันนี้ทุกสปีกเกอร์เลยครับที่มาพูดเนี่ยมันทำให้เปิดโลกอีกมุมหนึ่งที่เรารู้สึกว่าIllustrator มันทำได้แค่แบบเนี้ยจริงๆ Illustrator หรือ Photoshop เนี่ยมันสามารถที่จะสร้างรายได้สร้างงานได้อีกเยอะมากเลยครับก็ขอบคุณทางFreepikที่ทำให้มีงานนี้ขึ้นมาครับ
สวัสดีค่ะประทับใจนะคะFreepikที่จัดในประเทศไทยอย่าลืมมาจัดอีกนะคะได้ความรู้มากมายเลยค่ะของแจกเพียบเลยค่ะ
เดี๋ยวตอนนี้เรามาคุยกับผู้ที่โชคดีได้รางวัลเบนคิว27 นิ้วไปรู้สึกไงครับวันนี้
ดีใจมากค่ะ
ช็อกไหม
ช็อกสุด
ๆโอ้ค่าลงทะเบียนมาเท่าไหร่ฮะ300ได้จอกลับบ้านรู้ไหมจอนี้ราคาเท่าไหร่
ไม่ทราบ 20,000 กว่า
บาทครับ
Thank you to all the Thailand contributors.
Thank you to all the contributors for coming to our first ever Freepik Space meeting, and we will keep in consideration all your comments, and hopefully we can improve the commissions and improve the landing page and the website for you guys and also the panel. So any inquiries or questions, please contact us and we will do our best to keep y'all all happy.